The 10 plagues of Egypt have been seen as divine judgments, but scientific research suggests they might trace back to natural disasters. Researchers examine climate records, biological patterns, and geological evidence to find a coherent scenario where drought, ecological collapse, and volcanic eruptions could explain the plagues. Archaeological evidence shows that the city of Pi-Ramses was abandoned in the late 13th century BC, coinciding with a period of severe drought. The combination of political upheaval and environmental stress strained the river-based civilization, causing crop failures, disease spread, and social instability. The first plague, the Nile turning to blood, could have been caused by toxic algal blooms under hot, stagnant conditions, suffocating fish and making the river undrinkable. The second plague, an invasion of frogs, could be explained by the frogs leaving the toxic Nile in search of survivable conditions, only to die on land and create a stench. The third and fourth plagues, lice and flies, can be understood as a consequence of rotting organic matter and the collapse of predator-prey balances, with insects spreading diseases. The later plagues, hailstorms and darkness, might be linked to a volcanic eruption on Santorini, which sent ash into the atmosphere, causing storms and darkening the skies. The Locusts plague required no special explanation. Their destructive power is well documented in modern times. Drought is a key trigger. Locusts are forced into the same remaining patches of greenery, where crowding alters their behavior and biology. The 10th plague, the death of the firstborn, remains mysterious. One theory suggests child sacrifice due to famine, while another points to food contamination affecting the firstborn. The crossing of the Red Sea likely occurred at a shallow network of lakes, where natural forces like drought or strong winds could have created a temporary land bridge. These scientific theories show how environmental shocks can transform climate stress into ecological collapse, disease outbreaks, social upheaval, and spiritual reinterpretation. These disasters felt like divine assaults to those living through them and became a story of liberation and identity, showing how human lives are intertwined with nature's forces and how catastrophe can reshape history and belief.